Here's how to fix black and white screen on your Android phone. Now, if you see a black and white screen, you can always swipe up and get into your settings. Keep in mind, if you see everything is in black and white, essentially a grayscale has been applied to your Android screen. You can easily turn that off in your accessibilities. So let's scroll down until we get to accessibility and then vision enhancements. You'll be able to see there's default, high contrast, etc. And as I scroll down, you might have color inversion turned on, but we want to go to color correction, and you can see it's set to grayscale, aka black and white. So let's tap on that, and you can see if at the very bottom it's choosing grayscale. You can switch it to something else if you wanted to, and you'll be able to see kind of what it makes these vegetables and fruits look like. However, if you wanted to completely turn off that black and white or any color correction, you can just completely turn it off, and there you can see all of the colors of the fruits and vegetables, or just back to normal default. If I hop out of here, all of the app icons as well, or just back to the default colors.